Hi guys, so gumawa pala ako ng isyaladang mangga. Yun ba yung tawag doon? Yung salad mo na may mangga, tama? Ayan. So this is my dinner and inaantay ko pa yung kasama ko. May dalang sisig and then with dinner together. Charot. And by the way guys, ayan, my favorite salad nga pala to. And then, actually, minsan nilalagay ko siya ng onion. So, for today is no. So, kailangan natin, kasi pag dinner kasi, pangit na yung, yung, pag kumain ka ng onion sa gabi, with press, ang tawag doon, parang mangangamoy yung bunganga mo in the morning. So, we don't need. So, thank you for watching my video. Charot.